Good morning. Welcome to a new episode of Mr. Roy Makes.
Makes.
Today we're making cheese. This is a very simple cheese we call paneer.
What do you need to make paneer?
What do you need to make paneer?
You need some milk,
You need some milk.
and that's all you need to make paneer. That's all you need to make paneer. What do you need to make paneer?
What do you need to make paneer?
You need some yogurt,
You need some yogurt.
you need some milk,
You need some milk.
and that's all you need to make paneer. That's all you need to make paneer. What do you need to make paneer?
What do you need to make paneer?
You need some lemon,
You need some lemon.
you need some yogurt,
You need some yogurt.
you need some milk,
You need some milk.
that's all you need to make paneer. That's all you need to make paneer. What do you need to make paneer?
What do you need to make paneer?
You need nothing else.
You need nothing else. Nothing else.
Yeah, it's very simple. It's only 3 ingredients. So, you need some lemon,
You need some lemon.
you need some yogurt,
You need some yogurt.
you need some milk,
You need some milk.
and that's all you need to make paneer. That's all you need to make paneer. That's all you need to make paneer. That's all you need to make paneer.
As I said earlier, there are not many ingredients into this cheese. You need 2 liters of whole milk, which means the cream is still at the top. It's non-homogenized. You need 6 tablespoons of natural yogurt. Be careful, not vanilla, not sweet, not cherry, not peach. Natural, no flavor. And you're also going to need 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. I know I could use something else, but to make lemon juice, I like to use my little alien face called the Juice-O-Mat. Let's see what it does. I think that's gonna work very fine. 1. Oops. And 2. There we go. The real lemon only yield 3 tablespoons of juice, so we're just going to boost that quantity with some store-bought extract. 1 more. Step 1, we've already poured the milk in there. If you come and check, you can see that there's the cream on top. This is whole milk. They haven't skimmed any fat in it, so it's about 3.8 to 4.5% fat, and this makes really good cheese. If you were there for the tofu video, it's the same thing. Bring it to a boil, add lemon juice. There's 1 step in between, but it's totally easy, and it's really good cheese. This is medium-high heat, and I'll keep on stirring until it's boiling. Make sure you don't go and do something else, because boiling milk sometimes runs over the edge of the pan, so be very careful and give your full attention to your recipe. Last time we checked, we were at 97 degrees. This is boiling, and look at that froth rising up. Let's cut the heat here. So now would be the time to add our yogurt, and we're gonna mix it in. Need to find the yogurt. Should dissolve pretty quickly since this thing is so hot. I don't want to burn the milk, or I don't want it to overflow, so I'll just keep it off the heat. And milk holds heat pretty well. So when I'm sure that, oh, it smells yogurty now. Once I'm sure that the yogurt is well dissolved in there, can't find any more. Yeah. You see, it's already starting to make curds. So the yogurt is acid, but it still needs some help. So in goes the lemon juice. Once that's in there, I'm gonna stir that. And you'll see the proteins separate from the liquid, just like tofu. Wow, thickens really good. So I'm gonna stir that for about 2 minutes until all the proteins have precipitated at the bottom. Look at that, already looks like cheese. This is how we make tofu, how we make ricotta, and how we make paneer. Acid-based cheeses. See you in a bit. For the next step, we're going to need 100% cotton fabric. This is what we call a potato bag fabric. We use them as tea towels. I'm going to line a colander with that. And then we go to drain. Watch out, it's hot. Be careful not to splash it all over yourself. Boom. These are what we call curds. So we're going to keep them there.
And sorry, Mr. Roy, but how do we call the liquid that went through the colander?
This is called whey. In French, we call it lactosérum. When you're making a traditional cheese with rennet, this is another chemical product. When you're making traditional cheese, you keep the whey because it's full of protein, and you use it for ricotta cheese. Here, the proteins have precipitated, so we're not going to keep that because it's already empty. I know that the people who train a lot, they use powders made of whey to have a protein supplement. Look at that. Here we have the curd mass. I'm going to allow it to drain like this. I think it should be flatter. We had to make some adjustments off camera. We took a little ramequin, a little bowl here that we put there to give it a tilt towards the sink, and this we filled completely. We filled completely with water. It's about 2 kilos, and that's it. We're just gonna need to wait for half an hour. Notice that there is whey pooling here. It's gonna drain very soon. Half an hour. Half an hour has gone by. Let's have a look at the cheese. This is paneer. It's quite solid, as you can see. Now all that's left to do is cut it into pieces. The video we get it from recommends about a centimeter cube, so that's what we'll do. This I think we're going to put into a tikka masala sauce with some peppers, and we'll eat it with some naan bread. This cheese is very high in protein, which means it doesn't really melt. If you've ever had a cheese called doremi, you know what I'm talking about. It will not melt, it will just become brown and crispy. Very good cheese. It doesn't taste much since there's no salt in it, but if you use it inside a recipe, it will steal the flavor from the other ingredients, just like tofu. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Makes